Welcome to the new scale model of 1 to a sextillion. We're looking at the Milky Way. This is 1 meter across, and previously it was 1 kilometer across, and so we could experience what it was like walking among the stars as they're just coming by us. We were inside the Milky Way, now we're looking at it from the outside. And the stars are too small to see. I just see a glowing gas. And the solar system is about 2/3 of the way out. It's about probably around here. And the distance to which we can see stars from Earth is about, let's say, 1,000 light years. So it's about kind of where this little rock is. It's about 2 centimeters, right? So we have 1,000 light years in every direction, whereas the whole Milky Way is 100,000 light years. So this is where we see the stars, and when we look out and see the glowing Milky Way, we see it as a band across the sky. And surrounding the Milky Way, we do have smaller dwarf galaxies. We have the Magellanic Clouds, we have globular clusters. But the largest galaxy within our local group is the Andromeda Galaxy. And that is the furthest object we have seen in ancient times. It's 2 million light years away. And back then, it just looked like a little fuzzy patch in the sky with the naked eye. And without telescopes, that's as far as we can see. Let's take a little trip to the Andromeda Galaxy. Here's the Milky Way. And Andromeda Galaxy at this scale model is about 24 meters away. And it's larger than the Milky Way, 220,000 light years across. And so we see it right here. The central bulge, and imagine you could see some spiral arms coming out. Okay. So now, the challenge is, what if I'm standing in between? I see the Milky Way as a very faint patch of light, and then I see the Andromeda Galaxy as a faint patch of light. I'm really in a dark zone here. I'm really in another kind of void, similar to the void we experience between stars, where you would look up at the sky and you would only see points of light and no sun, at least no sun that was close by. So in this void between the galaxies, it's even worse because you don't even see stars, you just see darkness. But remember, that's only using the naked eye. If we have telescopes and we have long exposure, then the background of the sky comes alive and we get to see all the other galaxies around us. But there are still places in the universe that have voids. And these voids can be vast. There's the Bootes void that's billions of light years across. And if you're stuck in one of these, good luck. Because at least with the naked eye, you don't see anything. It's just darkness. You can't get out of there very easily. It would take you billions of light years to cross at the speed of light. And it turns out the universe has a lot of these voids. So what's in these voids? Is it truly nothing? Well, there could be a lot in there. We just know of visible matter, and dark energy and dark matter could be the most common thing in these voids. The observable universe at this scale is 870 kilometers, so way beyond the horizon and way beyond what this scale model can accommodate. So for that, we need to go to our next scale model. See you there.